Good morning. SOXL ETF related to directional movement semiconductor AI stocks, you want to name it. These daily charts are so pathetic. Yes, we have a consolidation trend right here where I put the alert. Right here, right across here. That is the consolidation. Okay, what I will say, tremendous selling last week. As we come up toward that 200-day moving average at 40, we will be buying the $40 puts. So, once again, traders, what my job is to do is to develop the relationship with you so that you get the big moves using the ETFs within the semiconductor unit component. We have covered the SOXL, we have covered the SMH, and guess what else we covered? The Big Daddy. Yeah, you heard me. So we covered everything. I will tell you that any minute, your world could be totally different in 5 days from now. You won't even recognize what's going on. We're at potential war. Once again, dog days of August, low volume. Let's develop the relationship. We work as a team. We make money. What part of that don't you like? Don't you like to make money? If you like to make money, sign up for that free 5-day trial. Let us walk you through every entry, every exit. Don't you worry, you'll get paid.